What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Solana against the US dollar on the Coinbase exchange, ticker symbol SOLUSD. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So here we have the daily chart for Solana against the US dollar. And you can see that price has been in a downtrend since November 2022, November 22nd of 2024 up until about December 20th of 2024. So about a month of a downtrend. There was a short-term rally in play. However, price did see a decent sized drop just recently. So let's go over what's going on the chart. Well, overall, looks like price came back to the breakout zone of 186. We can draw a line across that level to illustrate that this was prior resistance, that it is turning into support. Resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. Price rallied through that level, came back to test that level for support, and we're again at that same level once again. So we'll see if it stays as support or we're going to break through it and continue to trend down lower. Let's go over this bearish sign on the chart. That price is below this long-term trend line. So that is a bearish sign. Price is also below the EMA, which can illustrate a downtrend is in play. We also have a measure move target lower. This is all one large drop. This could be the start of the second large drop, targeting right around the $1.32 level, which would take it right back to this prior support level right over here, which is no coincidence at all. That's a confluence target for the price. If you zoom out on the chart, you can see that overall price is still in an uptrend. So all this is just probably a temporary pullback, a short-term pullback in a macro uptrend. You can see that Bitcoin also is not looking as bullish, is slightly more bearish than bullish. So that could also drop, leading to these alts also dropping. However, Solana against XRP and XLM is looking more bearish than those alts. So we'll see what happens, but that's all I have on the daily chart for Solana against the US dollar. Price is at support. We'll see if it can break through. If it breaks through, the target would be the 132 level, which is near prior strong support. If it somehow holds this 185, 186 level, then we could probably see a rally up to about, we can do a measure move target, one leg up right here, second leg up to about 234, and possibly even a new 52-week high. Taking a look at the weekly chart for Solana against the US dollar. As I said before, it's in a macro uptrend. As you can see here, the yellow channel represents the macro uptrend. So if you just zoom out on the chart, the pullback is not as large as it seems compared to the entire price structure. We just tapped this previous high right back over here in November of 2021, right around the 248 level. So we can draw our horizontal line across that level. So if that was prior resistance, there's a good chance that in the future it will be resistance as well. As you can see here, price did get rejected from that level. Bulls still have a measure move target at 312 that they're attempting to reach. This was the prior size leg right over here. This was the start of the second leg. We saw the first attempt higher by the bulls. We're seeing a correction take place. Once this correction is over, there's a good chance they will reattempt to reach that 314 level, 315 level. So we'll see what happens for Solana against the US dollar in the short term, but in the long term, it still looks promising for higher prices. That's all I have for Solana against the US dollar on daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.